I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up a new account with Bank of America, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the Bank of America website. Go to the official Bank of America website. Look for the Open an Account button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Choose your account type. Select the type of account you want to open, such as checking or savings. Review the features and benefits of each option to find the one that suits your needs. Step 3. Fill out the application. Complete the online application form with your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid delays. Step 4. Verify your identity. You may need to verify your identity by answering security questions or providing a form of identification. This step is crucial for protecting your account. Step 5. Fund your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you encounter any issues during the process, Bank of America has a customer service chat option that can help you out. Good luck with your new account.